Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to try and teach 50 words in Hindi, how to pronounce and how to use it. What is grammar in Hindi? Vyakaran. What is language in Hindi? Bhasha. So language and grammar. Bhasha evam vyakaran. Evam means and. Bhasha evam vyakaran, 50 words. Not so difficult, but let us learn the pronunciation correctly. First word is sanket. Sanket means giving a sign or just sign, like that. Sanket dena, like communication, gestures, that is sanket. Before the invention of language, people were using sign language. That sign, not the signature. Next is aspasht dvaniya, means unclear sounds. Spasht means clear. Aspasht means unclear. Dvani means sound. Dvaniya means sounds. So, before the invention of language, there is Bhasha, Aspashta Dvaniya, and Sanket was the mode of communication. Yes? Okay? Aspashta Dvaniya means unclear sounds. Sanket means giving a sign. Prakat. For example, now I am presenting myself with a Hindi lesson in front of you today. So that is prakat, that kind of a present, not giving a gift. So prakat karna means present in front of someone. Koshish. Jase, I am trying my level best to do something in YouTube. Every time I come up with new things. So that is koshish. Koshish is trying or to try. Koshish karna. Koshish करते ही रहना till you succeed, just keep trying. Okay, सीटी बजाकर. If you have seen 3 Idiots, you will know what is सीटी बजाकर. सीटी बजाकर बोल भैया बोल. So means blow the whistle and tell भैया tell. Okay, so सीटी बजाकर means blowing the whistle. गूंगा व्यक्ति means व्यक्ति is person. गूंगा means a person who cannot speak. Okay, मतलब who is basically cannot speak. So गूंगा व्यक्ति. विचारों. What is this? Why do we have a language? Because we need to communicate our thought. Vichar means only one thought. Vicharo is plural form. Bhav means singular. Bhavo means plural. Parantu. Parantu is but. Okay. Then samaj. Samaj means please yaar samjho. When you are using it in a sentence, we say samjho or samaj. Samaj lena bas. Means please understand, okay? That's it. Samaj means understand. Atah. Atah means hence. I've done all these things, so hence you please you do this. Or hence the following. You write it in anything. So that hence is atah. You will see in every end of one paragraph in every textbooks. Okay. Sadhan is tool. I use a mobile to record a video, so that's a sadhan for me. Sadhan is tool. We use pen to write, so that's also a tool. So Bhasha ke roop. Roop tera mastana. You would have heard this song, right? So roop tera means roop is a form, like how you look. So in a language, it is every language has a different lipi. Roop. Bhasha ke roop. Lipi is also there. Spoken is also there. What are the forms of language? That is called as Bhasha ke roop. Forms of language. Avagat. Avagat means to inform, to make aware, or to give an invitation also. So avagat dena means to invite somebody. Okay. Suchit means apprise, like my boss is coming after 4 or 5 days, so I have to apprise him what has happened for the last 1 week. So that is suchit karna. Adan pradan. Adan pradan is give and take. Actually, not giving a gift or something. Give and take of words, exchange of words. Like you just see my video and go and tell somebody, wow, nice, you're trying something, please watch a video. So there is a word of mouth, that is also adan pradan. Please do that. Okay. Vakta. Vakta is the person who speaks. Shrota is the person who listens. So I am vakta, you are shrota. Apurna. Purna means complete. Apurna means empty or not enough, like that's it. कम पड़ जाता है ना, तो उसको अपूर्ण बोलते हैं. Means what is less is called as अपूर्ण. स्पष्ट. स्पष्ट is clear. अस्पष्ट is unclear. Okay. महत्व. आप मुझे महत्व देते हो. Means do you give importance to me? Mahatva is important. ओके। अपना था, मैंने उसको अपना लिया। रास्ते में एक छोटा सा कुत्ता देखा था तो मैंने उसको अपना लिया। मीन्स व्हाट? इन द स्ट्रीट आई सॉ अ डॉग एंड देन आई गॉट इट होम फॉर माई सेल्फ। सो अपनाना मीन्स अडॉप्ट। सो अपनाता है मीन्स अडॉप्टिंग, ओके, और अडॉप्ट्स। सीखता सिखाता, सीखता means to learn, सिखाता means to teach. सिखाता, I am teaching. So भुवना सिखाती है, I am a female gender, so सिखाती. आप स्टडी कर रहे हो, अगर आप मेल जेंडर हो तो क्या बोलोगे? मैं सीख रहा हूँ। सो मैं हूँ, तुम हो। ओके, तुम सीख रहे हो। सो आई एम क्वेश्चनिंग यू, आंसर इज ऑल्सो हाँ मैं सीख रहा हूँ। आंसर में यू विल टॉक एज फर्स्ट पर्सन, इफ इट इज द सेकेंड पर्सन। तुम ऑलवेज एंड्स विद हो, my always ends with whom. This is the basic grammar of Hindi. Hum means if it's a plural, it ends with hein or hein. That we'll learn later, okay? Sentence formation. Let us learn just 50 words right now. Janma se means from birth. Janma se or janma means it's birth. Janam se or janma se is the correct word. Janam is giving birth. Janam. Janam janam ka saath hai means we have been together for so many births. We are made to be together. Like prayukta. Prayukta is used. Adikthar. Adikthar means majority. Like Uttar Dakshin. Uttar is north, Dakshin is south. उत्तर भारत में अधिकतर लोग हिंदी भाषा में बात करते हैं. Means in the North India, most of the people talk in Hindi. So majority is अधिकतर. दक्षिण भारत में अपने मातृभाषा में बात करते हैं. So South Indian or in South India, every state has their own mother tongue and they speak in that. अधिकतर means majority. बड़े क्षेत्र means large area. बड़े means large or big. क्षेत्र means area. अधिकारी means officer. आधिकारिक उपयोग means official use. Hindi and English are the two official languages in the central government. So आधिकारिक उपयोग के लिए हिंदी इस्तेमाल होता है. इस्तेमाल means we use. राजभाषा विभाग, Department of Hindi at New Delhi is called as Rajbhasha. Rajbhasha is a special status for Hindi because to some extent majority people are talking in Hindi and using Hindi in their daily life in the northern side. जोड़ने का कार्य, language, what does it do? फेविकॉल जैसा जोड़ जाता है. Means it sticks each other or it helps in communicating with each other. So जोड़ना means connection. कार्य मीन्स जॉब. जोड़ने का काम मीन्स द जॉब टू कनेक्ट. सरकारी कामकाज मीन्स ऑफिशियल वर्क मोस्टली इज डन इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश इन इंडिया. सरकारी कामकाज, ओके. एंड मानक मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड. मानव मीन्स ह्यूमन काइंड और ह्यूमन. मानक मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड. शिक्षविद, with this method, शिक्ष और शिक्षा is teaching. Okay, शिक्षविद. When these two words are joined together, it becomes Siksh. Siksha, if it's a separate word, it's called teaching. Siksha is what we learn. Education, that's also Siksha. Siksh with is teaching method. Vidwan, scholar, the person who learned or is a very highly intelligent person is called scholar. So that person is Vidwan. Sampreshniyat. Sampreshniyat means good reputation. Okay, सहज, simple. सहज means simple. एक रूपता means अभिन्नता. भिन्नता is different. अभिन्नता means not different. So एक रूपता means अभिन्नता, that means uniformity or uniform. एक रूपता means same. Okay, uniform. प्रांत, प्रदेश. What is प्रांत and प्रदेश? मध्य प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश and all is state. So Prant means state, Pradesh means state only. Okay. Pramukh. Pramukh is chief. He is the head. Pramukh is head also, head person, or the chief is called as Pramukh. Rashtriya Sampark, national contact. Hindi is a language by which we can have national contact, or Rashtrabhasha is the language by which we can have national contact. And English is an internationally contactable language. So we have both English and Hindi officially. Rashtriya Sampark or Rashtriya Sampark means national contact. Madhyam. Madhyam means channel. Madhyam is medium. Madhyam is channel. Okay. Madhyam is what? Medium of communication. Medium is Madhyam. Madhyam means channel. Okay. Antarrashtriya Sampark. So I told you international contact is because of English in case of India. So Antarrashtriya means international. Rashtriya means national. Antarrashtriya Sampark. Sampark means contact. Okay. Now how do you say global? Vaishvik. Vaishvik is global. Vaishvik Sampark. Okay. Rashtriya Sampark, Antarrashtriya Sampark, Vaishvik Sampark. Okay. So 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, 1 lakh is 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, same 1 crore, 10 crore, 10 crores. What is 1 billion? 1 arab. Billion is called as arab in Hindi. Okay, this much for today. Please learn this. We'll come back with written script in next video. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.